Hey everyone, Krista with Midtown RV in Penticton, British Columbia. Let's show you the 2016 Dutch Star that just came in. Let's go.
This 2016 Dutch Star 4018 is equipped with a televator as well as MCD power day-night shades. Also has a residential style kitchen with a dishwasher, 2-burner, induction cooktop, convection microwave oven, this Dutch Star has a bath and a half, exceptional seating area. It also has a residential refrigerator, as well as a very spacious pantry. Each shelf slides out for easy access. Stunning king-size bed, overhead reading lights, full-size mirror, lots of storage here, and even in the drawers below. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. And we'll see you on the next one.